Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to remove Google Assistant from power button on the Vivo Y200. Now, if you press and hold on your power button and if it enables the Google Assistant and if you want to disable this feature on your power button, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Then scroll down and tap on shortcuts and accessibility. Now just scroll down and tap on power button. Now instead of launch Google Assistant, just select launch power menu. Now once you select this option and if you press and hold on the power button, it will not enable the Google Assistant. And this is how you can remove Google Assistant from power button on the Vivo Y200. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.